In the next screen, I have a brand new Superset installation, and I do not have any dataset database here, but I would like to synchronize my Metriql datasets to Superset automatically. So in this screen, I see my Metriql dashboard, and when I click Superset, it is asking my Superset URL. Let's enter my URL here and my credentials. So as you see here, it's not my local host because I had to expose my dataset, expose my local host to the outside since I am using an external URL from Heroku. So it's not gonna be able to connect my local host unless I expose my local server environment. So here I'm actually connecting to my local host from the world. It is saying that there is no original dataset yet, so let's click this and create a new dataset so that I can synchronize database all my datasets. So my username is Bremba, and here I have my environment. Since I'm using SSL, I need to enter the credentials here. Yeah. Let's go back and try to connect. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's add this connection. And let's go back, fetch the database again. Okay, good to go. Let's synchronize our datasets to Superset. Right now it is running a Python script that gets all the Metriql datasets and synchronize them to Superset. So here I will start seeing some datasets. I have my customer dataset here. When I click it, I see my measures created by Metriql. And let's go back again. Okay, it's already done. And let's see our other model orders. If I click this, I will see all my measures, all my metrics, and all my columns in an organized format. And since I have the direct relationship in between customer and orders, I see my columns dimensions from customer model as well. And when I click this orders, it will just run a sample query. I have total orders of this amount. Let's select order status and run the query. And let's go back to live queries section and see the queries that we are running in real time. As you see, it is Superset sent this mql query to Metriql, and then we compiled this query to this one for Snowflake. And let's do something more complicated and add a relationship, something like customer segment. And when I run this query again, it's gonna send a query thinking that this is actually inside this orders table. But since Metriql parses the query, it understands all the dimensions, measures that is being used by the query, and then it creates the join relationship and compiles to a SQL query for the underlying data warehouse and hides the complexity from the Superset users.